Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I told you guys I was going to do something super quick, super easy. This is going to be a ridiculously fast DIY. This is from IKEA. If you saw my IKEA haul, I got this. It's called Second. It is a lamp fixture, if you could see there, and it was 99 cents or 49 cents. I don't remember. And then this little guy they have all the time, it's called the Fejka. So I've got that little guy, and I think that was $1.99. So we're gonna unwrap all of that. And so this is what comes in this. You've got the light fixture that hangs down, and then you've got all these other little parts. This is a great rope. So I'm gonna save that for something else. And the only part I'm gonna use is this guy right here. Literally, all we're gonna do, let me cut this little guy off of here. And that's it. And then guess what we do? We take this, oh, there's a little doggy there. We're gonna take this, stick it right in there, and that's it. You've got a great little planter. So I hope you like that. And quick, easy, what, $2.50? So let me know. We're gonna be doing worm week. I've got dogs running all over the place. People coming home. So I will say goodbye. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. We've got some worms and Halloween coming up very soon. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna be working on that in just a second. Have a great day. Bye.